Welcome to day 10. Can you believe it? Day 10 of our 12-day Vlogmas series. Can't believe we reached day 10 already. Just 2 more days to go. Let us know, guys. Are you enjoying it? Let us know in the comments. What would you like to see? Yeah, so we're here. Shawnel is feeling a bit under the weather, but she's cooking up a storm as usual in the kitchen. So today we're going to be showing you a kind of like a flashback when we were in North Carolina. We went to IKEA, so we're just going to give you a flashback of what happened then, and yeah, stay tuned and see you in the next one.
Oh, this is my outfit, girl. What Douglas gone downstairs? This is my outfit. Don't mind the dirty mirror, but black on black on black on black. And off to IKEA we go. If the amount of money I get for the time that I call my name, good girl. No. So I'm ready. Doctor, are you ready to go IKEA? We're on a shopping spree! We're on a shopping spree! Okay guys, see you when we get there. Hey girls. Welcome to IKEA, where the good up things and too busy though.
Okay, something like this will I say.
To get?
Put the TV on.
Oh, okay.
But I wouldn't choose white.
Oh, this is real nice.
Yeah.
This is nice.
Those are nice.
This is real nice.
Put it on this outside.
With the TV?
No.
On the bedside table?
That's not good.
So these are like little inspo rooms.
Just to give you an inspiration on where you can do it.
I love that grey closet thing.
Yeah.
Not bad. Oh, this is cute. Yeah. It's nice, guys.
That's a nice.
What door you lead?
Lower.
Oh wow.
Just to show that you can handle the thing. I like this.
This is nice.
And then you have little,
Oh, it has nice shelf space in there too.
little
Mirror. Mirror on the wall. Mirror, mirror on the wall. Who's the most beautiful girl in IKEA? Me. Yes, people. Take out my mask. Me. Yes, me. Big up to nice, clean me. Back home? Or for your desk?
Probably a sewing room.
Oh,
Like a
okay.
sewing room.
This is nice. This is Mother Nature room. Wow. This will be the bathroom. Oh, this is really classy. Oh, this is nice. This is so nice. This is nice. Oh, I love this. I'd sure have this Duke stuff. This is so nice.
That's what you should have to do.
Kitchen.
Yeah, isn't that nice? I like that special today.
I
But
love
I probably need a
these.
smaller one that's thin.
This has decor is so nice. I love these bags.
What's
Yeah.
that though? No, that look like I go from suit.
The dog bottom. Ah, the hooks. I think that's cute. Stable isn't bad.
This is like you can plant and put
Oh,
stuff right here.
dog, I like that pantry here. I don't really like it open.
This one need for
Okay, so with this, look here. If you have this here, you'll be able to plant and put stuff here. Look at that Chantal. The way my kitchen is set up, put it
Oh, that's nice.
Isn't that a good idea?
I
I do like that.
That's nice. I don't know if you bought the overhead lights, but
Yeah, I like the light one.
this idea to make plants on this is really nice.
how much for this?
Oh, I love this.
What?
The faucet.
Yeah.
True.
You like the stove like this though. And this is, you see the stove? Look, this is the stove now. Over the thing right here, and it has a. Oh, that's
Oh, that's cute.
Oh, that's for the
Yeah, pulling up the
A soft touch? Oh no. Yeah, it
This
is.
is working.
Soft touch. It is nice. Cut this.
Those things will have to pattern. I have some circle ones.
Another kitchen. Enter my dream kitchen. Oh, it's not. Standing on my couch. People don't watch the price tag. It's mine.
Okay, so they're sitting on the couch.
My lights. Sean, this is where I store like your watch and something, Jody.
Hmm?
You put like your watches here
Oh,
or your
nice.
sunglasses.
Mm.
This is real nice. What? For this whole thing? I don't think so.
More than that.
This is
That's a
just
walk-in
parts.
closet.
And just probably said parts.
Cause that whole thing can fit in our closet. In our closet. To build a walk-in closet.
This part is 365. That is. But
Parts,
this is
parts.
nice. This is really nice.
Welcome to my crib.
Welcome to my pantry. Wow, oh my gosh. This is huge.
That's how I want to redo my country.
Oh,
Every day.
these things.
I want to do with I wanted to do with wood.
Oh.
But look at these.
Yeah,
I like these.
Yeah.
It's not
The
nice
drawers.
idea. This is a one more.
Paris.
I can type fast.
Oh, this is nice, Julian. Oh, the map is nice. These are nice. Okay, this is the end of the IKEA vlog. Thank you guys for watching. See you in the next one.